Hello students, that we are going to discuss today. We are going to discuss about that the syllabus, the new syllabus which is framed by ICC board, which is a sort of reduction which is given to you in favor of you, and this is because that so many days that we have lost already because of that the corona effect. So now we'll start discussing about the reduced syllabus, and let me clear about this thing. This year, that from the month of March, as just like the every year that our educational session that starts normally from the month of March and it ends at February. But however, we have lost so many working days and we don't know actually how long it will continue. So that is why after so many arguments and disarguments, debates, so ICC board has agreed to reduce some extent the syllabus, even though the board has declared it is 20%, but however just you see that how much percentage. Afterwards we will discuss later on that actually ICC has given some sort of a reduction or not, and in future also ICC has declared that in future if possible then there may be some more reduction so far as this the syllabus is concerned, and it is approximately it may be approximately 40 to 50%. So let us start from that class 9 physics. Now the first chapter, that is your measurement and experimentation. Previously the whole syllabus that if you will see, the whole syllabus that includes the different types of that the international system of units and other system, but however from this chapter if you will see that some extent some reductions are given, like in case of vernier calipers, previously you had that vernier calipers and screw gauge. Now in this, according to the new syllabus, that from this chapter that simple pendulum time period, the measurement of length by using vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge, decreasing least count leads to an increase in accuracy. Least count of vernier calipers and screw gauge, zero error, and problems on calipers and screw gauge. Up to that much it is cut off from your syllabus. Just check from your book that this part is completely reduced or it is stopped. Instead of that, how much it is left? The first part, that is your international system of units, like the required SI units, all these first part it is there, and from the second part that only that the simple pendulum and the terms related to simple pendulum, like time period, frequencies, graph of length L versus T square only, slope of the graph, formula T is equal to 2 pi L upon G square root, that much part it is there, but however the vernier calipers and screw gauge is deduced from your this first chapter, chapter number 1. Similarly, if we will proceed to that chapter number 2, which is motion in one dimension, physics in motion in one dimension. In that case we had previously that previously how much syllabus it was there. Now this time little bit reduction that you are getting in this chapter, that is particularly about that the section B, graphical representation, so that it is not there. So you please deduct from there distance time and velocity time graph, meaning of slope of the graphs, and the related acceleration time graph. This is excluded from your syllabus. All these are excluded from your syllabus. Similarly, the derivation part. Now previously you had that derivation of that all that equation of motions. First equation V is equal to U plus AT, second equation S is equal to UT plus half AT square, and third equation of motion, that is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. That the derivations that you are learning and learning the method of how it will be derived, but now that derivation part is already deducted. Only you have to learn these three equations and their uses. So second chapter also you are getting some extent the deductions like that, the graphical representation, which I may think that it is a sort of inappropriate in my views. So anyhow, the board has given the deduction. Now the third chapter, that is laws of motion. Mostly almost all the things are there, nothing is deducted from this syllabus. So that is why here all that previously how it was there, now it is also there, no change in that, laws of motion. Then if we will proceed to the fourth chapter. Now if we will proceed to the fourth chapter, which is based on pressure in fluids and atmospheric pressure. So chapter number 4, pressure in fluids and atmospheric pressure, there also you are not getting any sorts of deductions in syllabus, as it was there before, likewise also now it is there, so there is no change. In chapter number 5, if we will see to that chapter number 5, upthrust in fluids, Archimedes principle and flotation, in that case very little, even hardly 1% or 2% deduction that you are getting, that is your experimental determination of relative density. Experimental determination of relative density, that part only it is deducted for the timing, but rest all as usual it was there, now also it is in the same manner. So that is why only a very few percentage that you are getting deduction in this chapter. Now if we will go to that chapter number 6, where you are getting more deductions. Chapter number 6, about that heat and energy, you are getting more deductions. Now what the deduction that you are getting? That the third bit, energy flow and its importance, that is not there in the syllabus. And energy sources, different types of energy sources, that is not there in the syllabus. Similarly, that in the fifth part, the global warming and greenhouse effect, which is there. Previously elaborate discussions on that global warming and greenhouse effect was there, but now it is not there, but only the meaning, scientific definitions of this global warming and greenhouse effect is there, rest all are not there. Previously you had in your syllabus so many things were there previously, meaning, causes and impact on the life on earth, projections for the future, what needs to be done, energy degradation, meaning and examples, all these things were there. Now fortunately these parts are deducted. Number 1, that is your energy flow and its importance is cut off, energy sources cut off, and global warming and greenhouse effects, so elaborately it is not there, only you have to see the scientific definitions, you have to remember the scientific definitions. So that is how much you have got. So I think majority that you have got, major percentage that you have got in this chapter, heat and energy, where actually this is one easy chapter for you, but however you are getting deduction on that. So 7th chapter, which is based on that, the reflection of light. Reflection of light. In case of reflection of light, first part as usual, that was previously reflection of light, images spawned by a pair of parallel and perpendicular plane mirrors. All these are as usual, there is no change in that. Second part, when you will be coming here, in case of the spherical mirrors. So far as the scope of syllabus is concerned, F is equal to R upon 2 without proof, sign convention and direct numerical problems using mirror formula, then derivation of formula required, up to that much it is not there in your syllabus. So here you are getting a little bit percentage of deduction, which is only about that, the relationship between focal length, radius of curvature, sign convention and mirror formula, and at the same time the numericals related to that of the mirror formula. So that is why here also you are getting some part of the deductions so far as the numericals are concerned. But however, it would be better that if it would be there, because this is more essential in case in your future life. So but however, you are getting deduction that much, that sign convention, a proof of f is equal to r by 2, and then that relating to that sign convention and mirror formula, the numericals. Now we will proceed to chapter number 8, propagation of sound waves. There is no change, so all as it was before. Now also everything is there, no deduction you are getting in that chapter number 8. So chapter number 8, you may be little bit unhappy, as I know that you may be little bit unhappy because you are expecting some of the deductions in case of chapter, means that chapter number 8, that about that propagation of sound waves, but however that board has not given any sorts of deduction. Now come to that chapter number 9, current electricity. Similarly, that you are not getting any sorts of deductions as it was there before. Now also the same manner, all the things are remain same in case of your that electric current or current electricity. Now the 10th one and the last one, that is your magnetism. So in case of magnetism, you are also getting little bit discount, little bit deductions. I don't know that whether it may be in favor of you or not, but however the last part, that is your introduction of electromagnetic and its uses, introduction of electromagnets and its uses, basically which covers that the different types of appliances covering to that of the electromagnets, like your electric bell. So all these it was there, but however that part it is not there, rest all as usual there. So we have in case of magnetism, the first part, that is your induced magnetism, magnetic field of earth, neutral points and magnetic fields, and rest the scope of the syllabus as it was there. Now also the same thing, only introduction of electromagnets and its uses, this part is deducted from your that syllabus. So in total, now we can say that in case of for that class 9, you should not be very happy because very less part, even I don't know that whether it is 20%, how it is 20%, I don't know about that calculation, but however from my opinion, you are not getting any sort of deduction, a very less deduction that you have got. Anyhow, hope for the best. It may be in future you may get some more deductions, and if the corona effect that prevails or it will continue till the month of October, November or September, October, so you may expect some sort of deductions. Hope for the best. So class 9 students, that wait for the upcoming video where we are discussing, where I will discuss about that the chemistry and then thereafter that biology, and in that case how much deductions that you are getting, that we will also calculate by the end.